Devin, are you gonna stand up? You gonna stand up? You can stand up. Come up here. Good job, Devin! Devin, what are you doing? Say mwah! Dresden, which one are you reading?
Meow. No.
You looking at the cat?
Meow.
Meow.
The bug.
Dresden,
The bug. The bug.
what's this guy?
Oh, bug.
Oh, you're reading a different book?
The bug.
What book are you reading?
The bug. The bug.
Dresden, what animal is this? Elephant. What's this one?
Tiger.
Tiger. Roar. What's this one? Alligator. What's this one? Zebra. What's, let me see, one more. Oopsie. What's this one?
No.
What's that one?
Tiger.
Nope. What's that one?
That one.
Lion. What's the lion do? What's the lion do?
That one? Okay.
Does the lion go roar? What's that one?
Monkey.
What's the monkey do? You silly guy. Sit on your bum bum, please. Sit down, please. Dresden, be careful. Say, Dresden, say, I love you. Dresden, Dresden, say, I love you. Hey, Dres, I love you. You're ignoring me on purpose, Are you a lion? What's the lion do? Roar! Dres, I love you.
Whoa.
Hey, why are you ignoring me, you silly goose? Can you say it, Devin? Okay. You want that book? Yeah. Ha ha ha. Okay, Joe, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, I love you.